Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with two awesome things in an unboxing video for Beebeecraft. So they sent me two things that I was really interested in, and you guys will know as soon as you see them, like, yep, that's definitely Brittany. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys, and first of all, I love their packaging. It was this Panda Haul Elite 50 pieces mixed antique golden handmade Tibetan style beads, brass with coral and turquoise. And the price on their website right now is $15.99. But honestly, this is like the best deal I've ever seen on these beads. I haven't opened them yet to see what's in here, but I love these style beads, and I only have 2 or 3 of them, so I haven't really been using them because you know me, I'm a bead hoarder. But if I can get my hands on 50 of them, then I'm definitely going to be using them. And you guys are going to see me make a tutorial using these. I'm probably going to do several different things in the tutorial, but the cool thing is I really love that they give you these beautiful nice storage boxes for their items. Oh goodness, this looks so yummy. So now I have something to keep these in because they're a little bit more special than some of the beads that I have. So they come in just a Ziploc bag. And we have 50 different pieces of all shapes and sizes. So let's go through this. Ooh, maybe I can do a sorting video with you guys. If you don't like sorting, some of you said you didn't, but I like sorting. So let's sort these really quickly, and we'll see what came in the box. Okay, so it took me a moment to figure out where I was going with the sorting because these are so varied. I just love them. They can be used mostly as focals, but we do have some pairs. So let's go through the first set here. These, well, they're not, I kind of pulled these out because they were more round than the others. This seemed to be the only one that looked like this, but I still love it. It's so cool. They're all so cool. This one does have some similar pairs over there, so we'll drop him there, and this one does too. And then this was the only one like this too. So cool. And of course it's turquoise, so they're my favorite colors, and you know I've been pairing red with turquoise a lot lately. And we had another one that was just like this. It's the only one like that. Thought it was really cool. And then here are some pairs. So I had 4 of these, and of course yours is going to be a mix when you buy it, but I love that this one had some dark blue with some turquoise. And of course, I'll be putting a link down below to Beebeecraft and to these 2 specific items, or that I got in the mail. And then here's just blue. So pretty. I'm picturing so many different projects that we can make with this, and I'm gonna do a tutorial someday soon, within the next week, where we're showcasing these beads. And so if you have some already, maybe you guys can get some ideas from that. Then we had some more turquoise and red in a different pattern. Each one of these was a single bead. So we had like a saucer. Love these beads. We had a teardrop. Almost like a rounded bicone, and another like twisted bead. Then we have all red beads. Gosh, I cannot wait to make something with these things. And then we had some more, these seem to be the most prevalent in the mix, but they're so pretty. I just love those stone chips and the brass. These would look great with African beads, Czech pressed glass beads, just about any kind of beads. Wood beads, you know, I guess I like wood beads, and I have wood beads from them, so maybe I'll do something with those. And then we have some more one-offs in here and a couple pairs, and then we had a couple barrel beads. So cool. All right, so that was the set that I got, the first set. And I'll be right back with the second item. Okay, and then the second item, you should not be surprised. I love polymer clay, I love Heishi beads, and I love polymer clay Heishi beads. So I only have 6mm and 4mm. I don't have any 8mm. And when I saw this on their website, it was like, duh, that's a must have. So it comes in this awesome carrying case. It's called Beebeecraft 3600 pieces. So there's 3600 beads in here, 18 colors, 8mm flat round polymer clay spacer beads, colorful loose beads for earring, bracelet, necklace, jewelry, DIY craft making. So this box is $22.99, or I'm sorry, $22.09 on their website. However, oops, sorry for moving the camera. You get a ton of colors, 18 different colors, and at 8mm. So I think these strands are at least $2 to $3. Sometimes I've seen $6 a strand for 6mm. These are 8mm, which I haven't really found lately. And look at the colors. Like, these are not ugly colors. You get all the staples. So you get a red, well, I don't see an orange, but you get red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. But then you get this fantastic aqua, a turquoise, teal, like this is kind of a mix between like mint and lime. We have a wonderful hot pink or coral, pale pink, navy, a light gray, black, like an electric blue, white. This color is weird. It's like almost like a terracotta but more red, burgundy color. Basic yellow, purple, like a chartreuse lime color, a brighter pink, bubblegum pink, and just a blue. So these are fantastic. I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm going to do one video just on this and one video on the others. So stay tuned if you really like Heishi beads, polymer clay beads, or you just don't know how to use the ones you have, or you've wanted to venture into them and didn't know how to start. That's what we're going to be doing. I'm probably going to do I am going to do a video focused on each one, and then probably in one of the videos I'll use both in the same project. Since I placed this order, they have expanded their polymer clay collection on Beebeecraft, and I cannot wait to place another order. There's a ton going on there. Of course, right now I'm in the middle of moving, so it won't be anytime soon when I place my next order, but I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with. If you guys have any ideas, let me know too, because we might do a blitz. I think we'll probably do a blitz. Anyway, obviously this color is my favorite right there, quickly followed by this color and that color, because hot pink's my second favorite color. So however, all of these colors are really doing it for me. I really love this blue, and I really love the navy. Let me know which color was your favorite and what you've been doing with Heishi beads if you have them. Please check out Beebeecraft. I'll leave all the links below, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye. You're so cute, I can't stand it. Hi. Hi, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, that's cute.